Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 15.1 question number 1. The following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded every hour. What was the patient's temperature at 1 p.m.? When was the patient's temperature 38.5 degrees C? Question number C. The patient's temperature was the same two times during the period given. What are these two times? Question number D is what was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? 1:30 p.m. How did you arrive at your answer? During which periods did the patient's temperature showed an upward trend? Right? The question number A. Here you see the answer of question number A is if we read the graph, then we are getting. Let us solve this question. Question number 1. The question number 1 is what was the patient's temperature at 1 p.m.? Here you see it is 1 p.m. and temperature was 36.5. You see this is 36, there is 37, that means this one is 36.5 degree centigrade. Therefore at 1 p.m. Therefore we can write that at 1 p.m. at 1 p.m. at 1 p.m. the patient's temperature at 1 p.m. the patient's temperature was the patient's temperature was 36.5 degree centigrade. Now question number B. What is question number B? What was the patient's temperature? When was the patient's temperature 38.5? Here this is 37, this is 38. 38.5 means this one, this point. And the time you see here is 12 noon, right? Therefore the patient's temperature was 38.5 degrees C at 12 noon. Therefore we can write the patient's temperature the patient's temperature was 38.5 degrees C, 38.5 degrees C at 12 noon. Well, here you see this is 12 noon and this temperature is 38.5, this one 38.5. Now question number C. Question number C is the patient's temperature was the same two times during the period given. What were these two times? Here you see at 1 p.m. the temperature was 36.5 and at 2 p.m. the temperature was also 36.5. Therefore we can say that the patient temperature is same at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. Here you see at 1 p.m. it is 36. At 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. the temperature was same. The temperature was same. Temperature was same. The temperature was same. Temperature was same. That is at 1 p.m. you see this is 1 p.m. temperature was 36.5. That is 36.5 degree centigrade. Now question number D. Question number D is, what was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? How did you arrive at your answer? Question number D. The graph between the basement temperature was the same at 2 times. What is the temperature at 1:30? Here you see, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1:30. That means the temperature is same, that is 36.5. Therefore, we can say that the graph between the times, the graph between the times, between the graph between the times, graph between the times 1 p.m. and 2 p.m., 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. A graph between the time 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. is parallel to the x-axis, is parallel to the x-axis, parallel to the x-axis, parallel to the x-axis. Therefore, you can say the temperature at 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m., 1:30 p.m. and 2 p.m. will be same, that is 36.5 degrees centigrade, 36.5 degree centigrade, right? Question E. During which period did the passenger temperature show an upward trend? Right? During which periods? That is, the following period. Question number is, during the following periods, during the following periods, the patient's temperature, the patient's temperature showed an upward trend, showed an upward trend, upward trend, shows an upward trend. I see this one. This is 9 to 10, 10 to 11, right? That is we are getting 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. This one 9 to 10, 10 to 11, and also this one, that is 2 to 3, right? So we are getting 9 to 10, 9 a.m., 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. right? 9 to 10 a.m. and 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. to 11 a.m. Also this one 2 to 3, that is 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.